Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make zucchini no tempura. It's zucchini tempura. So simple, easy to make, but surprisingly delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this zucchini no tempura, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Some zucchini, as much as you like. Half a cup of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of potato starch or cornstarch. Let's cut the zucchini into sticks. Cut the top and the bottom off. You can cut it like this, into discs. But I like to cut it into sticks to enjoy the juicy texture. Into half. And into half. Let's cut the length into half too. This one is a bit thick, so let's cut it into 3. Now, I'm making the batter. So start into the bowl of flour. It's half a cup of flour, so I'm adding half a cup of water. It's 1 to 1. Give it a mix, but try not to over-mix it. It's still lumpy, but this is good enough. It's like a loose pancake dough. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan. It's about 1 inch from the bottom of the frying pan, over medium to medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature. Put damp chopsticks into the oil. And if you see small bubbles coming up like this, the oil is ready. Dip zucchini into the batter, then into the oil. And just fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Try not to touch them too much at the beginning. Once they start to float in the oil, like this one here, It's done, so let's take them out and drain. Before moving on to the next batch, make sure to remove all the tempura bits in the oil. Okay, all fried and it's done. Time for the tasting. It's tempura, so you can of course have it with tempura dipping sauce, but I like to have it simply with salt. Itadakimasu. It's very light and crispy on the outside and so juicy inside. It almost melts in your mouth. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Zucchini no tempura is the main, so it goes here. And you're doing tempura anyway, so let's have shrimp tempura too. Plain rice here, and tofu miso soup or any soup you like here. The main is deep fried, so let's have something light for the side dishes. How about onion salad for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!